Hello everyone. So this time I just want to share with you what I just did, and I was laughing of myself because actually right now I just see what I have done. Big fail, huge fail. I cannot wait to see these things turning. So I just made up quick uh, installation. Still didn't get this chain tensioned yet, but I will. There's the box for steering, but anyway, just now I see, can you see this part, guys, in here? Why I did put this inside? That's the biggest question of myself. I don't know why I did that, but I did. So now, yeah, this wheel I just mount on the engine, that's fine, and this should be mounted on the machine. But as I started, see what happened? It's turning, but knives don't. I don't know what I was thinking. This wheel is seated on the bearing. Why I did that? And yeah, I can still easily turn the knives because of this bearing in here. Okay, isn't that stupid? Okay, this is like biggest fail on this machine until now. Anyway, I still have some issues with the chain. Yeah, maybe when I tension it, it will disappear. So, but those stuff, yeah, I just begin to laugh at myself. Anyway, that's the little update on my wire stripping machine. So, have something to laugh. Anyway, good one. I make it turn, but not the shelf knife. Smart of me. Anyway, so see you on the next one. Hello everyone. So this will be like first alpha test of this machine. I hope everything will work like it should. I did prepare some tiny pile of cables, and I just take like samples of the thick one, or just many different kinds. I even got one degaussing cable from TV or something like that. Anyway, few different types of cables. There's one more, a little bit longer one, but yeah, we will all see how it work out. I make some kind of tension for the chain. Look, just like that, and it's like working. I can adjust the speed, whatever I want. That's the max, actually, but I believe I will not run on such a speed, but anyway, we will all see. I will go probably like that for begin, and as I said, each different type of cable needs adjusting, so we will all see what comes out of it. Here I prepared some bucket for trash, and yeah, just let's look. We will start with this, maybe, yeah, just cable like this, few tiny wires inside. And it go quite okay. No, not really. So much tension on the knives, but still. Let's take another one. This one got only one wire inside, like installation cable, I believe. Yeah, 1.5 millimeter. Going okay. Easy to take it out. Just great. Another one. This one as well different, a lot of tiny wires inside. Not too much tension on the knives. I cut too deep. So a lot of tiny wires was left it in the self-isolation. Okay. So that's the same kind of cable, but just different color. So I just try to reduce the tension of the knives. Yeah, look like a little bit better. But still too much. But as you can see, much less of it ended up inside the isolation. There we go. Let's try this degaussing cable, just like this. Too much. There we go. Going quite easy still. Some of it was left inside, but not really much. Almost, yeah, like clean. believe 3 millimeters. More tension. Yeah, that's better. There we go. At the beginning there was not enough tension, but it still cut the main isolation. Second one was untouched, but it's easy to take down. The other end, when I put a little bit more tension, it's like, okay, nice, got it. Easier to separate it. Anyway, let's try. I believe I choose the wrong gauge. Okay, go with one smaller. Okay, that's better. Again. Different type. No, too much tension on the knives again. Turning in by the hand, I can feel it right away. Now, yeah, it's not so easy to feel it up, but still. It's doing the job, like a few tiny wires left, but not really a lot. Now, there we go. Another one. piece of cable. That's the way it come out. Okay, let's look on this one. Good. There we go. Okay, so let's look at the bigger stuff. There is this such a kind, tiny small wires inside. Let's look. Oh, I got to the but still. There we go. Let's check out this one. I just got tiny piece because yeah, I just want to see how the machine will act on it. Not so bad. First, there we go. Nope, wrong gauge. Yeah, that one worked much better. Okay. Still. A little bit more tension. Let's try again. Yeah, that's a bit better. Like this cable was fairly heavy used because it's like self-isolation, it's very stick to the rest. But it's still able to take it out. this one here. So let's just check it out. I just released some tension. And okay, it's closed. Close to cut it away, almost all the way, but on some places didn't cut, probably because of those twisted wires. No, as you can see in here, it's cut the first isolation and then the second one, so it go all the way, open it up to the copper. So this could need one more. Let's try. Yeah, that helped a bit. But still, I need to use a little bit of strain to get the last places. Yeah, as the cables are twisted, they are, you can see the line. Yeah, on those places was like not cut it totally. But still, let's check it out. Okay, this gauge work as well, but need to be more tension on it. No, it wasn't this one. It's okay. There we go. Tiny bits left. Okay, so I can say it's working very nice. I really like that, even with this big cables what I have. Anyway, that's the leftovers. Yeah, all empty. So everything looked pretty well, as you can see. Yeah, I don't know how much of cable it was, but let's just find one bucket. Come on out. let's just hang it in here. I just did to the 0, and let's see if we get at least 1 kilo of copper, because actually that's the result. All this copper we just stripped in this few minutes. I don't know how much it was, but yeah, like 10 minutes, let's say, something like this, I believe. But anyway, I believe if I get used to it, I will go much quicker. But anyway, that was just first test, and check out if those machines will be able to pull these thick cables. No, there's this leftovers when I put too much pressure on the knives, and it goes too deep through the isolation and through this copper when it's tiny. Ow, stingy. Anyway, I believe that's all. Yeah, basically there's some tiny cramps, but anyway, it's quite weighty. And we got 2 kilos. A little bit over maybe, which is great. So now I believe I can take care about the rest of these cables quite easily. Now it's a bit more compressed. Anyway, okay, didn't expect that. I didn't hit the hook, and it's still falling apart. There we go. Okay, so that is the main look of it. Of course, there's still a lot to do. Like, first things, what I do next, it will be some kind of cover to block here this area, so no cable will go through the chain, or no finger and all that stuff. This probably I will put somewhere else and mount some, instead of using this steering panel in here on this device, I will go with something like that, box with start stop button, and yeah. So that's the effect. I'm very satisfied, so that's good. So see you guys, take care and have fun.